Hey folks, this is Bobby here. We've got another video for you. This is part 2 of our scenery building videos, and I've got Mark here, and Mark's going to talk to us some more about it. And go ahead, Mark, take it away.
All right, thanks for joining in today. We have started some test shots of the foaming. If you remember, the last video showed you how we were doing the substructure and getting things ready for the foam. So now we're at the process of putting foam on. Our first shot that we ran, our test shot, was a bad batch of foam. It does happen. Follow directions. We did follow directions, but it never dried and we had to tear it all off. So we bought a different brand, and to see if it worked better, we bought this system. It's called a foam system. It's a polyurethane. It's Handi Foam. Our test shots have been successful, and so therefore I want to recommend this brand here. And we think it's a good process. It comes with a hose. You get different tips. They got fan tips. It's pressurized. It's best to use this up as soon as you can, but it's designed to stay in the systems for a couple of weeks at the most. So you want to try to, and it should really last longer, but the most important thing is you want to bring it to room temperature, else you've got problems. So I'm going to demonstrate here how we're doing some of this foam work. It goes fast, quick, and easy. We've got our test shot, we've got good strength right here. It's got a little flex, but that's okay. And then this is just our substrate. We can work from there. We can carve, we can fill it with little dirt and things, and we'll have those different parts as we go along. So let's watch what we're going to do here today, and always wear at least some sort of a respirator. I always like to wear a respirator and gloves. This stuff's hard to get off of you. So here we go. Let's see what we're going to get here. Always going to do a little.
He's spraying left to right, and it kind of gives a natural kind of flow to a mountain, so that's a good start. Kind of gives it some form of a natural strata to start with.
Be prepared, this does generate quite a bit of heat. So we'll fill in some details, we'll let it rise, do what it needs to do, we'll come back and put a little detail back in where it needs to be. This, in actual time of actual physical working, probably only took 20 minutes to spray, maybe 30. What you're seeing here is what one of these systems produced. Didn't go quite as far as I wanted it to, but went pretty far. It beats the heck out of plaster straps and gauze. And it's very lightweight, and we're in a second-story building, so we want to kind of keep things light. Toward the end of the can, the material didn't seem like it mixed as well, so we're going to see what happens there after that dries. Hopefully it dries down.
It just dries in about 10 minutes, right?
Dries
Normally.
down. This is drying a little slower here, so we're going to see at the bottom of the can how that did. You shake them up real good before you use them. I'm liking the rough structure behind it, what I'm looking at, I can work with. We're going to get some more to finish this canyon. You can buy it in larger quantities, which we're going to need to do. And we may do that so we can do some more sections at the same time. Because it's not real cheap, but it sure saves a lot of time and aggravation. So you have to weigh that out in what you're doing.
Yeah, I see people doing the plaster mountains. That seems like it takes like a heck of a lot more time.
Yeah, this makes a good substructure. You can go from here with molds, and we'll have a video with molds. We'll have video with ground cover. We'll have video with everything as we work in this canyon to recolor it. So our goal is to get this canyon section done and maybe the bridge in, and start foaming again. So anyway, that's all I got today. It's a success. Like I said, the first attempt was a failure because the product didn't dry. I hope we don't have that problem here, but it looks like to me it's starting to set up because it's turning white in areas now. So anyway, thanks again, and until next time.
All right, thanks, Mark.